everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can turn on your admin approval in order to join your Messenger group chat. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So before getting right into it, you have to remember that you have to be the admin of the group in order to make those options available. So the first thing to do is to open your Messenger app on your phone. And after opening the Messenger app, you have to open the chat of the group chat that you want to turn this option off. Here you can see my group chat has been opened, and you have to now tap on the name of the group chat, which is on the top right here. Just like this, and now the settings of your group chat will open. Now you have to scroll all the way down until you see the option of member requests. Under the chat information, here you can see this option member request. Tap on it. And then here you can see this option of require approval to join. Simply just tap on this toggle button in order to enable this feature. Just like this. Now to save it, simply just tap on this arrow that you can see in the top left corner right here. And then you are all set. Now, in order to join this group chat, there will be the requirement of admin approval. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.